Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I just realized that I forgot to introduce myself. I forgot to slide in the intro when I started this vlog. So my name is Ewetsi Jowa, and I go by Ewetsi Gone South on YouTube and Ewetsi underscore Gone underscore South on Instagram. So thank you for tuning into my channel. It would be great if you would subscribe, like my video, and click the notification bell for every time that I upload a new video. I haven't been consistent with my uploads, but I'll try to be more consistent and start being more organized probably next year when I've organized more content for you guys. So without further ado, my video is just a 2-day vlog of what I was doing this weekend. Nothing much. Anyways, without further ado, let's get on into the video. and the end of my weekend. So it's a Sunday here, Sunday the 21st, if I'm not mistaken. So thank you guys for tuning in, and hope you can subscribe, like this video, and share it. Also click on the notification button on my YouTube channel so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So thank you guys so much. Bye.